Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to install Linux Dash on Debian version 11.3. Linux Dash is an open source monitoring tool for Linux machine that utilizes less than 1 MB of source code and presented data only when it is requested. Linux Dash does not collect historical data in contrast with the server-side agent process. First I will check the OS version. Next I will check the IP address. The Linux Dash installation before must be the Apache web server and PHP. I have already installed for the Apache and PHP. Then check the status from the Apache web server using systemctl command. The Apache web server can be active state. Now I am check the PHP version. The PHP version are 8.1.7. Next I will install the dependency package of the Apache web server. Next I will check the dependency package of the PHP. Now I am going to check the dependency package of the kit by using the command. Next I will change to the Apache home directory. Next I am going to clone the Linux Dash repository of the by following command. Now clone the Linux Dash repository has been installed. Now go to the browser and ping the server name. Enter the server IP /Linux Dash. This is the dashboard page of the Linux Dash. To be check the RAM usage, CPU average and CPU utilization and basic informations. By these two install the Linux Dash on the Debian version 11.3.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.